Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here, this would be the free body diagram of the system. And we need to make some assumptions. We know that T prime is going to equal the weight. That's simply because this would be the sum of the forces in the y direction. And we know that the force minus T sine of theta would be equal to ma, which again would be 0 because this is in translational equilibrium. So we can say that the tension force is going to be equal to the force divided by sine of theta. So this would be equal to 22 newtons divided by sine of 37 degrees. And this is giving us 36.6 newtons. So in order to find the weight here, the maximum weight that it can carry, we can say that TL sine of theta minus T prime L minus S this will equal 0. So here we're essentially taking the sum of the torques to be equal to 0 because this is in translational equilibrium as well as rotational equilibrium. So we can say that TL sine of theta minus the weight L minus S will equal 0. So we know that the weight is going to be equal to TL sine of theta divided by L minus S. So this would be equal to 36.6 newtons times the length of 1.75 meters times sine of 37 degrees. And this will be divided by 1.75 meters minus 0.40 meters. And we find that the weight is going to be equal to 28.5 newtons. Now they want us, this would be the answer for part A. Now for B, they want us to find the reaction forces. So F of x would simply be equal to the weight minus T sine of theta. And this would equal to 28.5 newtons minus 36.6 sine of 37 degrees. And this is equaling 6.5 newtons. So that would be the horizontal reactionary force. Force sub y would be equal to W prime plus T cosine of theta. So this would be 55 newtons plus 36.6 cosine of 37 degrees. And this is giving us 84.2 newtons. So to find the magnitude of the reaction force, this would simply be equal to 6.5 squared plus 84.2 squared, all to the 1/2 power. And this is giving us 84.5 newtons. And then if we, this would be the magnitude of the reactionary force. That's the final answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.